Hey, I'm thrilled you're here and I'm so glad you're watching this video. We are going to be touring the Taylor Morrison community called Fiesta. The model name is called 55RV4 and this community is located in Laveen, Arizona. Welcome, my name is Stephanie Hernandez. I'm a real estate agent here in the sunny state of Arizona, and I love helping and serving people who are moving here, who are moving from another city, from another state. And if you have any questions about the new home build process or want to learn more about this model that we're about to tour, please contact me and my team. Our contact information is below. And let's get started on this tour. This floor plan called 55RV4 includes 2,819 square feet, all located in a 2-level story home. You do have the option to choose between 3 or 5 bedrooms, but for this model, you are going to see specifically only 4 bedrooms that are all located on the 2nd level. There is an office room, and this could be the 5th bedroom if you choose. There is also an option to choose between 2 or 3 bathrooms. For this model, you're going to see 1 in the 1st level and 2 in the 2nd level. I love that this floor plan includes a formal dining area, and one of my favorite things too is that the 2nd level is open to below, making the great room feel very spacious with such high ceilings. A few key features of the home include low E coated dual pane windows, an AC with a high efficiency rating, an energy efficient gas furnace, and 9-foot tall flat ceilings with recessed can lighting throughout. The front landscaping is included with all of the homes, as well as the irrigation and the pavers that you see in the driveway and the entry walkway. Of course, when you do go and purchase a new home build, you do have the option to add more upgrades to your home, to your taste and your liking. However, just keep in mind that when you add more upgrades to your house, the price of your home will increase. The pricing for this floor plan begins at $574,000. This community features 5 available floor plans, and the names are super easy to remember. They all have RVs, so the names are RV1, RV2, RV3, RV4, and RV5. Some of the community amenities include a park, a playground, and basketball courts. Now, when I recorded this video and have this information, there are many lots available for you to build on. There is also buyer loan incentives if you use Taylor Morrison's preferred mortgage partner. But of course, this information can change depending on when you watch this video. So contact me and my team so we can give you the latest and greatest information about this community. Now, if you haven't been to this area of town or you haven't been to Arizona at all and want to move here, this community is located just west of the South Mountain Preserve. So if you like mountains, if you like looking at mountains and being around them, you are going to love this area because you are literally just west of the South Mountain Preserves. So you're always going to have a beautiful picture of mountains when you look out of your window. You are also just a few minutes away from jumping onto the Loop 202 freeway, and you are roughly 35 minutes away from the Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. The 2 nearby schools are Estrella Foothills Global Academy and Betty Fairfax High School. You are only 7 minutes away from grocery stores like Safeway and Fry's, 8 minutes away from Cesar Chavez Park. This park features a lake and it also has a community library. And the nearest form of entertainment, if you like casinos and resorts, then the Gila River Resort and Casino is only 7 minutes away. So the builder is Taylor Morrison, and They are a very well-known builder in the US. They operate in a total of 10 states, and they're known for their mid to upscale buildings as well as the first-time home buying markets. From my experience, all builders are different, but the most important thing that you need to know and consider when you are trying to purchase a new build is who are you going to be using as your real estate agent. The sales agents at the community offices are real estate agents, but they do not represent you. They only represent the builder and the builder's interest. I, on the other hand, am a real estate agent that has a fiduciary duty and only represents you. To me, you are considered a client. But if you do not work with a real estate agent and you only work with the sales office from that community, you are not a client to them. You are a customer. And that is a huge difference. Me and my team will serve you at the highest possible level. Reach out to us for more information on how to get started on buying your new build. You may also download my free new construction home guide that will have tips and more information. Comment below what you loved the most about the model and the community, or share this video with someone who is looking to move into Laveen, or if they're interested to learn more about new home builds. Thank you.